Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to go over how to refund money on your TapTap Send account. First, you can open up your TapTap Send app, come here to the top left, click on these three horizontal lines, and here, I want you to just go ahead and tap on a support, okay? And under here, you'll see this option, need help with something else, just click on contact us, right? And you'll get their email address and phone number. So you need to basically just go ahead and contact them in order to refund money. There's no button to do this. And you can also search this up on your PC. Just type in on Google TapTap Send support. You can see their number here, okay, from different countries. And you can also contact them via email. You can even open their contact information. You can see this is their email address, okay? It's really that easy and simple, so if you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to find your solution.